Magic, bright and white, colors that spark and do not hide. Our dreams ignite in the midnight air, whispers of wonder everywhere. Hearts beat fast beneath the display. Turns vibrant like a new day. Stars above can't compete this night with our beautiful fire's light. Beautiful fireworks paint the sky, light up the world, make spirits fly. Moments that glitter don't abide. Take our breath with every glide. Entwined we gaze so high. Laughter echoes mixing with sighs. Bursts of joy in every flare, a symphony that we both share. Silver and gold rain down so slow, cascading beauty in a glow. Every burst a colorful cry. This is our time, you and I. Memories like embers remain.